Eshing ichao yengshinbinaba leitana Manipur changshillakliba immigrant sing say Thingnaba UN Government of India Taksinbiyu the United Nations Human Rights Council ge yakaitere shuba session IPSA Working President Khuraijam Athouba Pukhatkhre Wafam say promotion and protection of all human rights, civil, political, economic, social and cultural rights, including the right to development high hiramda, international peace and social advancement. IPSA Working President Khuraijam Athouba Geneva da Pangthupa United Nations Human Rights Council ge yankaitere suba session da Pukhatkhre session aduda mahakna hai haukiba tha taraga mangarom asida Manipuri human rights khonggoinabagi thawdok kaya thengnare matik chana ngak sendraba border singdagi lokaina changshillakliba immigrant singna achauba irang ama thokane lokaina changshillakhiba mioi sing asina narco terrorism gi thawong kaya chatharakpana Manipur gi yalhawmi sing mutkigadra haibagi chingnaba leire immigrant sing asina lam ekar lak amaga lising kunromda opium cultivation tawduna India gi awang nongpok region da anoba golden triangle ama samgalakle haibase biyamna khangnare thawong sing ase khulai paiba group sing na ngak sele opium cultivation asidagi lakpa sanfam sing aduna irang sagatpa drug abuse amadi ka henba thawong sing chatharakuna yellow fruit sing da chawna sing rakle maram aduna ising ichagum yengshinbidana changshillakliba immigrant sing ase Thingnaba session asina Government of India da Taksinbiyu UNODC amasong Unhrc gi report ta highlight tawkhraba narco terrorism ge crisis ase khangbibaga loinana hiram asida respond tawbiyo paktakna na poppy plantation torokpa asina mahausa ge khalda piriba chaitheng amade chak tangba yauna thokhalakliba issue sing ase gi matang da comprehensive assessment ama chathabiyo council asina formal discussion ama senduna thengnariba kudong chadaba sing ase kokhanaba athuba da international collaboration sing phanghanna khotnabiyu haina so mahangna makha chana taksinke.
Mr. Vice President, we stand before you to bring urgent attention to the escalating human rights crisis in Northeast India, particularly in Manipur. For the past 15 months, this region has been gripped by turmoil due to unchecked immigration and an unsecured border. Indigenous communities settled here over a millennium face existential threats as immigrant armed groups driven by illicit opium cultivations and narco-terrorism ravage the region. Cross-border narco-terrorism is surging in Manipur and its neighboring states as reported by UNODC, with over 120,000 acres of illegal opium cultivations. We are witnessing the rise of a new golden triangle in Northeast India. Armed groups protect these activities, fueling violence, drug abuse and extremism. Furthermore, the ongoing violent crisis in Manipur exacerbates local tensions as highlighted in Unhrc, with armed groups exploiting this instability to seize control of resources and territories. We urge the 57th session to pursue the Government of India to prioritize the issue of unchecked immigrations in Northeast India and its impacts on indigenous people's rights. Recognize and response to the narco-terrorism crisis affecting the Manipur region of India as highlighted in recent UNODC and UNHRC reports. Conduct a comprehensive assessment of the environmental impacts of illegal opium cultivations as these factors threaten global climate change mitigation and food security. We urge this council to initiate formal discussions and seek international collaborations to address these urgent issues which threatens indigenous rights and regional stability and environmental efforts. I thank you.